Real trades by real people using the HVAs that only we call out the night before.
Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogel filling in for Patrick Assalone yet again for another win-loss break even for today's trading endeavors. It is Friday, January 14th. It is currently 3:17 p.m. There's about an hour, less than an hour in our trade day today. Most of our oil and gold and some other markets are closed for us now. But here's today's proof of us posting those levels. It was for today. It was posted yesterday at 4:40 p.m. Central Standard Time for those people who subscribe to it or our students that are learning the methodologies around it as they get the image file for themselves to use and put those HVAs onto their respective trading charts. So let's get into it without further ado. First up is Nick from an overnight entry up $662 on Sim in the ES here. Next up we have Steven with a live entry up $540 in the NASDAQ. Again, 540 real dollars in the NASDAQ off of our HVA levels. Chris with that same entry in the NAS, except for he's on Sim up 500. Lana with the same entry up 600. Renault live up 300 in the NASDAQ with one lot. Ben with the $315 loser in the Dow this morning. This is not at an edge that we have up here. This is an advanced entry, but he lost, so we have to count it as a loss. Lee up 465 for the day, starting off with the Dow at our levels. That's a great reversal. Michael with the same entry on Sim up 220. Lana up with another 400 on Sim in oil. Linda with that entry in the overnight in NASDAQ up 400 on Sim. Greg going short when he shouldn't have, down 185 in the Dow on Sim. Miro down $15 in the micro ES on Sim. Then coming back up 93 in the micro NASDAQ. So net positive for the day. Well done. Greg up 1240 in the Nat Gas on Sim. Bill up 450 in the ES on Sim. Then another 420 in gold on Sim. Lee now up 1455 with two entries on Sim for the day. In the ES up 1250. That'll cover a little bit more than commissions, so it's still a win. Michael getting hit with that loss that Jason flattened out of. Michael's on Sim learning the methodologies. He is obligated to hold it while he is learning the method. Steven up 1095 in the NASDAQ on Sim. Ari up 450 on Sim in oil. Steven up 412.50 in the ES on Sim. Roman up 174 live real money in the NASDAQ. This is advanced entry. This doesn't count towards our wins or losses. Well, if it was a loss, we would count it towards our loss. Tez up 480 on Sim in the NASDAQ. Jesse up 715 on Sim in the NASDAQ. Lee with the trending entry in the ES, now up $3,130 in the ES. It won't count against, or for us, I should say, for a win, as it is a trending entry that is only available to students who are live or almost ready to go live. Tez up 275 in the ES on Sim. Steven now up $1,595 in the NASDAQ on Sim. Miro almost coming back in the Micro ES, now only down 250 on Sim from the 1250. RE, another winner. This time NASDAQ up 335 on Sim. Michael down 495 total for the day. Oil. They are trained to hold it. All in, all out when you first start. So you don't have weak hands in holding these entries. There's a purpose to this madness. Each student progresses at their own pace based off of how well they are adapting to learning the methodologies. But we hold our students accountable, and we will still count this as a loss, even though it should have been a winner. He had it as a loss, while others took it as a winner. He is not yet at that level where he can take the money or recognize when to take money off the table. But if he keeps it up, eventually he might get there. RE holding a one lot up 475 in the ES on Sim. Greg up 630 in Nat Gas on Sim. Lana up 900 in NASDAQ on Sim. Chris now up $1,020 in the NASDAQ on Sim. Steven up $762.50 using the Oracle Auto Assist bot on Sim. RE coming to a stop for the day, down 190 in gold with a stellar runners today. Up just over 1,000 on Sim today for him. Robert, $47 live real money in the Micro Dow. Kevin up $1,000 in the NASDAQ on Sim. Francis with 2 entries here. First one, loss in oil. Don't know what he was thinking. Trying to go against what he was taught. And obviously he lost. This was the oil winner that we saw from so many other students. He went the wrong direction. And then he fought back to only down 80 with a winner in the Dow. Ben coming back with a $300 winner. Sim in the NASDAQ. Pam finishing off the week strong. $200 winner. She has 2 entries here. This is in the ES. She finished up almost $1,200 this week. Doing an excellent job. And that's live real money. Michael making a comeback. Up 370 or so. To be now down 125. Learning the methodology on Sim in the Dow. Linda up 300 in the ES. Michael finally stepping out of the red. Now up 225 total for the day with this ES entry winner on Sim. Tez up $1,040 on Sim in the NASDAQ. Tez with another winner. Now up $1,530 on Sim in the NASDAQ. Linda up 600 on Sim in the ES. Tez up $1,850 in the NASDAQ on Sim. These are our levels that we put out the night before for our students. Michael getting smacked hard in the NASDAQ. Now down $350 on Sim. He is learning the methodologies. It's best to learn while you're on Sim, taking it serious, or else you won't be able to do it. You gotta treat these like live ammunition, live rounds. There's rules behind our methodologies. Take some time for students to learn what they are. Vicky, 2 entries, down $297.50 total. First one here that we see is in the Dow. The other one is in the ES. And that's live losses. Bill up 200 on Sim in oil. Trey up now 500 on Sim in the NASDAQ. Cheryl up 350 on Sim in the Dow. Lana with a monster winner in the NASDAQ, up another 1,000 on Sim. Lana up another 1,200. Or up total 1,200. I'm not entirely sure. I'm going to assume these are these are 4 lots. Yeah, that's plausible. 1,200 NASDAQ. I'm going to try to get her to post with the net total on Ninja. Might have to teach her that. But regardless, another winner off of our level. That wraps that up. Those are today's wins, losses, break-evens with 29 wins. Let's see here. Update this total. Nope, 30 wins, 7 losses. That's an 81 percentile win ratio for unique winners and losers. That isn't everyone that sent in their trades of having 37 trades today. No, there is more than that, well above that number. Those are just what we went over today. We have unique entries, 30 entries that were unique for winners. Some of those entries shouldn't have been losses, but they were at those same levels, giving us a total of 7 losses. It is up to the student to manage the entry. We don't even tell the students where to get in. We only teach our methodologies and give our levels. If you're interested in finding out more information about these high volume areas that our students are having a ton of success with, feel free to reach out to us. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Speak with the representative there, and you'll quickly find out why we are the #1 trading education company in the world and why we have so many live profitable students in our rooms each day. We'll see you there. All right, guys, one more late entry coming in today for us. This one's from Babu, up $400 on Sim in the ES. That brings us up to now 31 for the day. Again, if you're interested in finding out more information about what we do here at Target Trading Academy, feel free to reach out to us. You can find us on Facebook or our website at targettradingacademy.com. Get in touch with a representative, and you'll see for yourself. We'll see you there.